Maayong buntag, kini si Angelo Jao, a representative from Bachelor of Arts in English Language. When I was a kid, my teacher asked me of what I really wanted to be when I grow up. I always have this dream to become a teacher because teaching is my passion. In my high school years, I started teaching but through dancing. I started this whole thing when I was 14 years old till present. I live and raise in a certain place that far from the modern civilization where poverty and being poor is not a problem for us. I believe that the best solution of this is through proper education because poverty will not kill your dreams. It is you if you put some limitations to yourself. I know that education is our powerful weapon to conquer the world. And if I will be the next Mr. TPC 2021, I can be the voice of inspiration, not just to the Islander dreamers, but also to those self-supporting students like me. So we will because we can.